So good morning friends, welcome to my channel Advert Wings, and today we are back again with the 10 most important current affair of 12th of July 2020. So let's start the first question. The question 1 of today is related to the novel Mahavir. You have to tell me the author of this novel Mahavir, the soldier who never died. It's a novel that had been written on Indo-China War of 1962, where one soldier named Mahavir fought in a very brave way and had survived that war. And this novel is related to that brave soldier Mahavir. So you have to tell me the name of author. Your option is A.K. Shri Kumar and Bhavna Nair. Option B is Bharat Bhaskar and A.K. Shri Kumar. Option C is A.K. Shri Kumar and Shri Kumar Malakar. Option D is A.K. Shri Kumar and Rupa Shri Kumar. Option second is which nation will host the next edition of Asia Cricket World Cup? Asia Cricket Cup, and recently it was scheduled to be held in 2020, but due to the outbreak of coronavirus, this has been postponed to July 2021. And also Pakistan was the previous country to host this Asia Cup tournament in 2020, but now its hostship has been transferred to some other country. You have to tell me the name of that country in which this edition of Asia's Cricket Club 2021 will held. Option A is Pakistan, B Sri Lanka, C India, D Bangladesh. Question 3 is which state has launched the week-long campaign titled Pure for Sure to ensure the purity of milk and its milk product? So remember one question also that this campaign Pure for Sure is related to the purification of milk and its product. And which state has launched this campaign? You have to tell me the name of that state. Option A is Gujarat, B Rajasthan, C Haryana, D Madhya Pradesh. Question 4 is who won the F1 Australia Grand Prix 2020 prize? So it's F1 Austrian, sorry, it's not Australian, it's Austrian. So F1 Austrian Grand Prix 2020 award was won by, or option is Lewis Hamilton, option B is Sebastian Vettel, option C is Valtteri Bottas, or option D is Daniel Ricciardo. Question number 5 is which Indian news channel is the only one that has not been taken off by Nepal's cable TV operator? So we had seen that a few days ago Nepal government has banned all the news channel in their country um, due to the alleged that they are badly assassinating the character of Nepal's in the local people of Nepal, and in this regard they had banned all the Indian news channel in their country except one channel which has not been banned. You have to tell me the name of that channel which has not been banned by Nepalese government. Option A is Rajya Sabha, option B is NDTV, option C is Republic Bharat, or option D is Doordarshan. Question number 6 is which aerospace company delivered the final 5 of 22 Apache attack helicopters to Indian Air Force recently? So there was an agreement between Indian Air Force and a aerospace company of some country uh, to deliver the 22 Apache attack helicopter, and They had completed their delivery and has provided the Indian Air Force with the final Apache attack here helicopter. You have to tell me that the Indian Air Force has signed this agreement with which of the following aerospace companies? Option A is Dassault Aerospace Company. Option B is Lockheed Martin. Option C is General Electric, or option D is Boeing. The seventh question is, where has the Indian Railway set up a solar power plant to power the railway overhead lines, becoming the first to do so in the world? Your option one is Bina, second is Devas, three is Guna, and fourth is Bhind. Question number 8 is, which Arab nation will become the first one to launch a Mars probe on July 15? So there are many countries in the world who had launched their probe on Mars, including India, but it will be the first nation from West Asia, that is Arab-Asia, to launch the first probe on Mars. So, as it will be the first nation of West Asia or Arab world to launch its first probe on Mars, so it will be a very important question in the examination point of view. Your option is UAE, option B is Saudi Arabia, option 3 is Qatar, and option 4 is Bahrain. Question number 9 is about the Enrica Lexi case, and you have to tell me that Enrica Lexi case is the decade-long maritime killing of fishermen's case, is a dispute between India and which of the following countries? Option A is Portuguese, option B Sri Lanka, option C Italy, and option D Pakistan. So it is a case of 2008, and the case was related first of all to the jurisdiction of a country to handle that court, and in the recent days that permanent court of arbitration has snatched the right from the India to hear the case and provided the other country with the jurisdiction to handle that case. So you have to tell me that this case was a dispute between which of the following countries with India. The 10th and the last question for today's session is that Google is going to rename the Google Plus version of social media with which of the following names? So by what name Google has launched the Google Plus? Your option has your options are Google Prime, B is Google Current, C is Google Note, or D is none of the above. So these were all from today's session, and tomorrow we will discuss the next 10 question, and we will see that what question would be the chance.